Hi, this is Hazel Calacsan from 11th Passage, and in this documentation, we'll talk about Earth and its significance.
For about 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was formed out of a mixture of dust and gas around the young Sun. It grew larger thanks to countless collisions between dust particles, asteroids, and other growing planets, including one last giant impact that threw enough rock, gas, and dust into space to form the Moon. Billions of years ago too, all matter of the universe was compressed into one tiny point until it finally exploded around 12 to 14 billion years ago. And this explanation is what the scientists call the Big Bang. We know that life began at least 3.5 billion years ago, because that is the age of the oldest rocks with fossil evidence of life on Earth. Major components that sustain life are water and oxygen, and only Earth has an abundant supply of both. Earth is where all of us live in. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, as well as the fifth largest planet in our solar system. As far as humans know, Earth is unique in the solar system as being the only planet which is able to support life in all its forms, from basic microorganisms to highly sophisticated human beings. Billion years, millennium, centuries, decades, and years have passed the Earth, and right now, the Mother Nature or the world is facing a great problem, raising by each of years. As our environment changes, so does the need to become increasingly aware of the problems that surrounds it. With a massive influx of natural disasters, warming and cooling periods, different types of weather pattern, and much more, people need to be aware of what types of environmental problems are planned. First is the global warming, which is the greatest problem the Earth and the people is facing. This problem include global climate change, worldwide loss of biodiversity, forests and wetlands, pollution, ozone depletion, and many more. Those followings are only the few problems the world is currently facing. But what can we do to take care and help save the Earth? Based on my researches, there are plenty of things you can do every day to help reduce greenhouse gases to make a less harmful impact on the environment. Taking care of the Earth is not just a responsibility, it's a necessity. But what can we do to take care and help save the Earth? Based on my researches, there are plenty of things you can do every day to help reduce greenhouse gases to make a less harmful impact on the environment. By conserving water, you won't just help the Earth, but you can also save tons of money. Second, by being a car conscious, you'll make reduce greenhouse gas emissions by an average of 1,590 pounds, 721 kilograms per year. And doing reduce, reuse, and recycle is one of the most significant part in terms of taking care of the Earth. You can help reduce pollution just by putting soda can in the recycling bin or even a piece of candy wraps. Reusing things so you can help reduce the waste of the Earth and recycling. Those individual things you do that you think don't make any changes, well, let me break it to you, it makes a difference, so keep going. Plant a tree. The IPCC found that things are worse now than before. Greenhouse gas emissions continue to rise, and most countries are not reducing carbon emissions, but there is a natural way to combat climate change. Plant a tree. Plants naturally absorb carbon from the air. Planting a tree surely takes time, but planting a tree can surely help the mother's nature to heal. And this is why cutting trees should be stopped from now on. Trees help absorb flood and other chemicals on earth that can affect our mother nature so bad. So if you think it's a waste of time, please do it now for the sake of our mother earth. Also, volunteering for cleanups, educating others, using long-lasting bulbs, biking more and driving less, not only conserving water and electricity. By doing these things could help so big to our planet Earth. Not only we are taking care of this nature, but also saving it. I hope a lot of more people will have courage to help along with the scientists